We made it to the gas station.
Alright, we're on our way to Overland Expo West. We left Logan early this morning. We were with Cole, Colin, and Lance. There he is. We're headed down. We're just outside of Kanab. We're pretty stoked. We'll see you there soon. All right, we just got to Flagstaff. We're in Exhibitor camping, setting up camp. It's pretty sick. We got the whole crew eating some Jimmy John's. Have anything to say? Nope. We're hanging bikes in here. Getting the camp all set up. We'll set up our booth tomorrow. Pretty stoked.
I said Jimmy John's.
Colin's dying laughing over here.
And if you watch the video, I literally have like a whole sandwich in my
The whole crew eating some Jimmy John's.
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Upside down?
No, rate your sandwich 1 to 10.
I got it without tomatoes, so I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
What'd you get?
Oh, the Italian something. Something Italian, the number 9 from Jimmy John's.
Cole?
number 16, and it is hitting about a 9.6 right
9.6.
Beach Club on wheat with Jimmy Peppers.
You have to get the Jimmy Peppers.
That's pretty dang good.
No rating, no number? I'd give it a 9 out of 10. If I was at home, it'd probably be a 7. Alright, it started raining pretty bad. It's lightened up now, but we got a sick little camp spot. Got the Tundra with the RTD on top. Got the AS1 Limited back there. Got the 4Runner with the RTD on top. And the rigid roof as well. Super stoked to be at this show. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Day, but we finally got our booth set up. And we're gonna go on a little bike ride. First day was a success. It was awesome. We had lots of people come by. We appreciate everybody that came by from different companies, as well as customers. And yeah, it was awesome. We got tons and tons of rain, but it was great to see everybody still out here at our booth. Tonight we're having some tacos, and we'll prepare for tomorrow. Good morning, Taylor here with ANTISHANTY. It looks like a beautiful day, better than yesterday. We're gonna start off today with little breakfast burritos, and we'll see you at the show. thanks for all of you that came to the show today. It was a really successful day. Super nice weather. We ended it off with the mountain bike ride. Now we're gonna cook up some burgers. This show has been awesome. Just appreciate all the companies that have stopped by, all the customers. We love seeing you guys. So please, all of you that saw us at the booth, please reach out. We love seeing you, talking to you about what we have to offer. Left the show not too long ago, right around 3:30. Just made it back to Kanab. We've been driving for a couple hours. We're probably gonna drive all through the night, get home around 3 a.m. We don't recommend that, but yeah, stay tuned for our drive home. Deer, and I can't see, but a deer just ran into our trailer. Well, into the Limited. Ripped our propane tank off.
Did anything like back here get like after it hit and rolled? Like
It couldn't.
he couldn't have. He wouldn't have impacted like that back here. I don't know, did you speed up or slow down? You said you
Started slowing down, and then when I saw
Okay, we made it back last night about 3 a.m. Just headed into work now, getting the trailer back there. Man, that was an awesome show. Love seeing all the companies, fun talking to lots of different companies, fun talking to tons of customers that have shown a lot of interest, and current customers that have units already. And it's so fun to see them talk to, you know, interested customers. Thank everybody that was there, all the companies, all the customers. We had a great time. That's a wrap for this show. Hopefully we'll catch you at the next one, and stay tuned for more videos. If you want to find out more, just go to antishanty.com.